The recipe for healthy energy ball, the ingredients required is 100 grams of cashew, 8 to 9 dates, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, flax seeds, which is entirely optional, cinnamon powder, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and vanilla essence. Now I'll tell you how to prepare this. Take a mixer or a fruit processor. First add dates. Once all the ingredients are blended, the consistency should look like this. You will get around 10 to 15 energy balls. These energy balls are sugar-free, dairy-free, gluten-free. Also add a hint of orange to make it zingy and tasty. Let me know how was the experience in the comments below.